our condition.
Sustainable workforce will contribute to reduce concentration of productivity, which is also the negative effect on employee morale and overall
Anong boto mo? Anong boto mo?
This is
Oh,
meow.
may kinakabahan na. May kabado ah. May kabado.
So for the details of best solutions, for workforce number 4, we will social forms. And also, we join ang aming
Yan guys, nakatapos na po yung production ngayon. Nag-prod naman po ang mag-start.
prod na kami. Bawal na ingay na lang kasi may nagpipresentation.
Masyado na po kinakabahan itong kasama ko.
Kung tato yung cellphone pala doon.
Awing! Lalabas na po ang item description. For our first runner-up, for our first runner-up, runner-up please. Congratulations, Angel Jennings. And of course, undefeated champion, we have CSS Alright. So before we announce our first runner-up, we invite, of course, our esteemed panel of judges to award the first runner-up and champion for production category. We call on Miss Molly Kayabia, Dr. Ray Franista, and of course, Miss Ophelia Gonzalez. And again, reminder po, yung ating champion will receive two regional QCs via Tagaytay City. Alright, partners, ready na ba kayo? Yes, tawado na. So for our first runner-up, congratulations to drumroll please. Pa-drumroll naman na. Congratulations to Team
Travel with VL Code, let the engine roar, seeking out the beauty.